Good morning, students. Rajesh here. PowerPoint presentation for Social Science, 9th standard. Kindly note. Lesson Christianity and Islam. Christian religion and Islam religion. In this lesson, we learn below points: Christian religion, Jesus Christ, life and teachings, spread of Christianity, religion and their grants to world. Muhammad Paigambar, his life and teachings, his crusade, importance of his Hajj, rituals and practice of Islam, and religious spread and its importance. Jesus, Jesus' early life. Jesus, he was born in a poor family. Father Joseph, mother Mary, place Bethlehem village near Jerusalem, influenced by John Baptist, and his concept is love and loved by all. Jesus' teachings: God is one, and everyone should develop brotherhood, loving the people who are in distress. One should serve others without expecting anything from them. Serving people is equal to worship of God. If one repents for his mistakes, God will forgive him. Love your enemy. Do good to the people who try to harm you. Jesus was crucified in Golgotha. See the image again. First one is teaching about Jesus' teachings. Second one, Golgotha, where he was killed. That place is called Golgotha. Sections in Christianity. Sections in Christianity. Catholics, Christianity was in the control of Roman Catholics in the 16th century. These people are called Catholics. And Protestants, Martin Luther started Reformation movement in the Germany. So he started new section, it is called Protestant. So Martin Luther is the founder of Protestants. Know about the Bible. Bible is the holy book having two sections, Old Testament and New Testament. It is translated into English during the region of King James, first of England. First section deals with the details of religious beliefs of Jews. Second section deals with the life and teachings of Jesus. Bible translated into most of the important languages of the world. So we know about Christianity. Now we will go through the life of Muhammad Paigambar, 570 CE, Mecca. So founder of Islam, parents Abdullah and Amina. Muhammad lost his parents in childhood, brought up in uncle's home. He was shepherd in the beginning, later started visiting Mecca and Syria. In Mecca, rich widow Khadija employed him, later married her. They had 4 sons and 4 daughters. His followers called him as messenger of God. His messages compiled and published later. This is the holy book of Quran. In that everything has written about the Islam and Islamic religion. Jihad to establish dharma, several wars were fought by Paigambar were called, especially it is called jihad. Jihad means fight for the justice. Teachings and rituals of Islam. In this chapter we see teachings of Islam, in that especially God is one. One should lead an honest and principled life, and should keep away from all the bad habits. One should have respect for women and compassion for the poor. Rituals of Islam. Islam follows having 5 rituals, especially Kalima, belief only in Allah; Namaz, prayers for Allah for 5 times a day; Roza, fasting in the month of Ramzan; Zakat, definite sum to be spared in the income to give the poor; Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca once in the lifetime of the Islam people; expansions of Islam. This religion spread throughout the world just because of these reasons: simplicity of Islam, efforts of caliphs to spread Islam, devotion of Muslims, and religion's interest of sultans, and conducive political situation in those times. That is the reason Islam was spread throughout the world. Now in this part we learn about contributions of Islam. Islam, especially Muhammad Paigambar, he treated so many people and cured their disease, so that he was famous and popular in the world. Medicine for measles and other diseases and books on medicine. A new invention in science and mathematics. The spread of knowledge built by medieval Arab and Persia in the field of geography and astronomy. Islam influenced the art and architecture, especially in science, geography. Astrolabe is the presentation for science. It was used to chart the precise time of sunrise and sunsets, and to determine the period for fasting during the month of Ramzan. Navigation tools, compass and astrolabe enabled long journey navigation, eventually discovery of the new world. Al-Biruni discussed the possibility of the earth's rotation on its own axis, a theory proven by Galileo 6 centuries later. And these are the contributions for Islam, from Islam to the world. Sections of Islam. Important sections in Islam is Shia and Sunni, and successor of Muhammad Paigambar is called as Caliphs. Abu Bakr was the first Caliph, and he spread throughout the world the religion of Islam. So children, we have thought about all these points about Jesus Christ and Muhammad Paigambar. Kindly go through the exercise part, fill the blanks and answer the following this, and write it up and forward it to me. Before forwarding, show your parents the notes and forward the last page to me. All the best. Have a nice day. Be safe and maintain distance, social distance and physical distance. All the best.